Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Home Worker Models and Charlie Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction Arcadia, episode 26. We have some great progress from our last video I'm excited to share with you. Where we have our handy dandy Steve with our project manager Richie installing the front door today. Super exciting to be able to get that piece of the puzzle created. Oh, I'm so excited to see that go in. And then over here on the left, we have our handy dandy electrician, Rob with Richardson Electric, out here working away again. He's so good getting all this accomplished with us. Let's see how these guys do. We actually caught them at the perfect time when they were just trying to slide that door right into its opening. Oh my goodness.
Push your weight.
Okay, these guys are working hard. You can see they're trying to get that door in that opening. I am sure it's going to turn out great. I'll give you pictures associated with this video when we come to the end. Thanks so much, friends, for being here on this journey with us for Coffee and Construction in Arcadia, episode 26. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.